Hi there, welcome to my channel where I take you on tours of creative spaces and unique homes. Today we're traveling to Joshua Tree, California to take a look at Neil's amazing container home. Built as a getaway for his friends and family, this alternative home boasts 3 bedrooms, a rooftop balcony, and a massive patio with a container pool.
This is my first project. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears, man, and I'm so stoked how it came out. I just wanted to do something that hadn't been done before.
But before we jump right into the tour, if you like videos like this one where we showcase alternative and unique homes, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time we publish a new episode.
What's up, guys? My name is Neil Chin. Welcome to Box in the Rocks, our amazing container home in Joshua Tree, California. About 3 years ago, we were talking to some friends, wanted to find the perfect spot to get away. We looked for property all over. We wanted a good view. We wanted to be close to downtown Joshua Tree. So it took us a while, but we found about 1.25 acres right outside the heart of Joshua Tree National Park. The number one question, why build a container home? We just wanted to do something different for our family and our friends. And that was a big goal for us. Make it fun, make it cool, make it unique. An awesome place to hang out with your kids, with your friends. And that was the whole purpose behind this. Get out of town, just spend time together. We thought this process was gonna be easy. This thing kicked our butts. The land, of course, had to be graded. You had to get water, you had to get electrical. After the land was graded, then we had to do the foundation, of course, and started the process of building the container home. We thought maybe a year, maybe 2, 3 years. Joshua Tree San Bernardino permits, budget, contractors, help. Out the window, finding the right shipping containers, making sure they're high cubes, making sure there's no pesticides, what came in them, they're one shippers. Little things you don't think about. We were able to shape it staggered H, have a giant patio area, have a pool. I just wanted the aesthetics and to do something that hadn't been done before. The creative canvas started right here. A lot of it was designed by myself. We have 3 40-foot shipping containers. So we're 960 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. The containers were delivered on site. We worked with alternative living spaces out in Vegas. They kind of did the framing, a little bit of the electrical. We had to stack them on the ground, make sure the foundation was done. And then you can see they had to be welded together. Everybody always asks, what did it take to build this? The budget's $150,000. Land, $36,000. Electrical, $26,000. Permits, $35,000. Water, $30,000. The foundation was $72,000. 3 containers fully built out, $250,000. The awesome container pool, $60,000. Solar panels to power this whole beauty, another $46,000. All in, we ended up being about $650. That's including furniture. That's the whole 9 yards. We want to share this with everybody all over the world. We just got our short-term permit, so we're ready to rock and roll and have people come and really enjoy what we built. This is my first project, but a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, man, and I'm so stoked how it came out. Now when I come out here, it's to chill, it's to relax, and I don't have to lift any more heavy furniture. Come on inside, check it out. Please admire the orange door. As you know, it's a container home. It's plenty wide. You're in the living room, little lounge area in the morning where you can have your coffee. Right here you can chill, watch your TV. Once you come through here, this is the west wing of the house. We want to keep it very simple, so open closet, plenty of hangers, plenty of storage, it's nice and simple. By the way, you guys notice the concrete floors. I wanted to do concrete and then we did an epoxy over it. As you come in, here is your queen size bed, super comfortable linens. So we did something cool too, we floated the bed so you could put luggage underneath. There's a private exit leaving to the pool, which is kind of cool so you don't have to walk around the entire house. A big thing for me and my wife was textures and colors. As you can tell, the orange, the blues, of course, are our favorites. the artwork. We're in Joshua Tree, you need some Joshua Tree love, but you'll see the brown leather. We want to make sure everything tied in. Of course, we did the white walls, it looks nice and clean, but definitely textures, definitely colors. We thought of all the details, charging for your phone, 3 different lights, TV controller, of course, storage. Now I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite parts of the house. Before we go inside, we also had custom doors built. This one's frosted, of course, because you're gonna go inside the bathroom. And I love this. This is my favorite. Giant spa feel. Of course, you've got your 2 sinks and your toilet. The waterfall effect is kind of cool. It's not your traditional small faucet. I also like that all the mirrors are backlit. And then when you come in here, I love this. Look how big it is. So you've got 2 rain showers, his and her rain showers. And my favorite part, I gotta do it. You got your relaxing soak-in tub. So there's a lot of details. Like I said, we wanted the tub, the fixtures, even the giant window, which was a big thing for us to let in light. I also love the big tile. That was a big thing for me. And I did the white grout. We wanted to make it look like a giant slab of marble. And then the drain is kind of cool. It's the hidden drain, but a big thing was making sure that the tile in the shower wasn't slippery so no one fell. And then of course, you've got your closing glass shower. Ta-da! All right, guys, I'm gonna take you to the east wing. As you can tell, the container home is pretty big. Living room, just an area to chill, drink coffee. There's a secondary door that leads you out to the deck. From that end to that end is actually 56 feet long. We thought of everything. I love the countertops, plenty of storage. Of course, the blue, which matches the outside of the house. The sink, of course, pretty self-explanatory, but we did stainless steel dishwasher. Your coffee maker, your microwave, your cook pot. We thought of all the little things. You've got all your utensils, all your cookware. We also did the floating shelves to keep the backdrop open. Your range and your hood, of course. Something cool we want to do, been in a lot of container homes, a full-size fridge. You always see those small ones or tiny fridges. Full-size fridge, full-size freezer. And this is your dining area. Family of 4, there's plenty of seating outside. And then this door, the reason we did this is if you come out of the pool or the kids come out of the pool, they don't have to walk through the whole house and get it wet. Because from the pool, we actually go straight into the kids' bathroom. Same thing, full rain shower. This one has the grayish brown wall with the white flooring. Same waterfall effect, which is cool. And then you've got, of course, your toilet. And then your custom door, which is of course frosted again for your privacy. And then as you can see, this is my favorite part. When you stand here, you see the depth of the container home. This bedroom, we consider more of the kids' bedroom. Same thing though, floating bed, queen size bed, same comfiness, its own mini split, and then cool views to the back of Joshua Tree. And again, very simple, very minimalistic. We added some more color. We added some yellows and some blues into this room. You've got your storage space. Simple, effective, but gets the job done. The living room has its own mini split. So does the dining room. And the reason we did it, it circulates between the 56 feet. So this area is always cool. Also, we have a full-size washer and dryer. We'll supply all your cleaning supplies as well. And then that's the second master bedroom, which has an amazing giant window with views to downtown Joshua Tree. So you've seen the inside of the container home. I hope you love it as much as I do. But now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite features. Ba-bam! Once the container door goes up, welcome to the outside of Box in the Rocks. So here is our giant patio, 40 feet wide, 40 feet deep. The patio was a work of art in itself. We thought of everything. We've got furniture that's waterproof. We've got your fire pit for at night. We got seating area over here, which seats another 6 people. We've got a grill if you guys want to barbecue. When you come at night, we've got string lights for ambient lighting for the entire deck. This is something I'm really proud of. One of my favorite things is this custom giant chair. You can't really tell how big it is. It is gigantic. Awesome place to chill with your significant other. Seen our big chair, now let's make our way to the other side of the deck. We've got 2 lounge chairs. This is an extended 20-foot deck that floats with it. And here, please follow me upstairs to the most beautiful views of Joshua Tree, California. So most rooftop decks are usually 20 feet on a container home. We did 40 feet. At night, the views are amazing. You can stargaze. So we've got another eating area. You can just chill. And then here you've got a lounge area. You can just hang out at night with your family, with your friends. But my favorite part is when you look this way. This is the view of Joshua Tree. But I saved the best for last. It's our 20-foot custom shipping container pool made by Container Pool. It's hot. It's time for you, man, to cool down. See you soon. We out.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to see more tours of container homes, we have a playlist linked for you in the description. And I will see you soon with another unique home tour.